And I'm McKinley.
My name's Nixon. You can call me Nix. I will do
Let's make some memories.
Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday.
Yay!
Let's get my water.
Oh,
So thirsty.
oh, double. Get it. We have a busy day, but Riley comes home tonight. Man, I hate when he's gone. It's mentally so much more exhausting. Even though he's usually gone from like 7 to 5 in the morning, it just feels so much more. But sorry about the jump scare. Gotta get those hateless curls. We are actually taking a whole bunch of stuff to DI, kind of just hanging out, having a fun little family day. It's a chilly day, so maybe we'll do like a movie night or something. I don't know.
Like a pony.
A horn like a unicorn?
Yeah.
Should we just do a big ponytail on top of your head that looks like a unicorn?
Yeah.
Perfect. Here. Are you my handsome boy?
I got an owie.
Oh, you do have an owie. Are you okay? Here, let's see. Let's spray. I love you. Hey, watch out. Mama's gotta wash your hands.
Okay, Mom.
How are you?
Let's go to.
Ah! Is it scary? And it's Mommy.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you.
So let's go on the DI.
Yeah, you guys did great work. High fives. Woo! All of this stuff. All of that is going to DI. Good.
Let me tell you something. Bought 2 snacks for the trip.
You brought 2 snacks for the trip. Thank you for your help. We have been getting rid of so much stuff since we cleaned out our basement. We hauled off literally a whole dump trailer of trash. That was so nice. And then I just donated a whole back of the truck. It's gonna feel so much less cluttery, and I'm just so excited because clutter gives me anxiety. You guys sharing. So nice. What do you think of that? Is it good?
Not too bad.
Not too bad?
I'm not too bad for me.
Not too bad
And
for
we're
you?
gonna have the last.
Okay, she ready to go. Okay, Piper says, ready, set, go! Are you so fast? Ooh.
We made it home. Can't wait to get more sweaty. We should go wash me one day.
What's up, buddy?
You
Take
do.
a blah! Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye, Dada.
Bye, Piper. Daddy love you. Mwah.
Remember how our house is falling apart? Yeah, our seal, this little thingy that makes the washer not leak, came in the mail. So let's change the washer boot seal. Let's do it. Hair's up. We got the drill. We're good to go. I was not recording that whole time, but I did it! I'm so proud of myself. Now we get to fix the water heater. This part makes me nervous because there's gas involved, and that freaks me out. Does it match? No, put it back.
Must be somewhere.
Yeah! You got Snow White? Yeah.
I got 2 mats.
What? So good. I'm not very good at this game, huh? Oh, you did so good. Who won?
Me.
Let's go in.
Who won? And then Raela. Mommy lose. Boo.
Oh, Mom, I find this one.
Rah, 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 rah.
Toodles. Mickey.
tie on now. You hide your bow tie. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Good job.
Good morning. Happy Monday.
Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday.
Where are you going today?
School.
What do you have today?
I'm the first.
You're going to dance?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited for you. Do you have your tutu on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to wear your sweatshirt or take it off? Because it's kind of cold today, huh?
Yeah. I did take it off when we did in my dance classroom.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Friends, Tia, upper down. Wait, those were my friends.
Oh, man, we better take you in. A bad geek. Yeah. Oh, we didn't have a Piper and Mommy. A Piper and Mommy.
It's snowing.
It's snowing.
Yeah.
That you have snowflakes in your hair? Not like the biggest fan of snow lately. It's too cold. Raela, you're in your dance shoes. You're gonna ruin them. Come on, guys, let's go. Oh, cutest dance outfit ever.
Oh, yeah.
Dancing. Yay.
I am wearing new clothes today.
Okay, we're gonna do a
Reese's.
Yeah, Reese's. We're gonna do a Valentine's project. 1 Reese's and 2 suckers.
Oh my gosh.
Giving up to random people, so something nice.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day is very nice. What about like you are loved? You are handsome. That's very nice. Now we're gonna put
I'll put some.
all of the ones in the bag.
Yeah. Best day ever.
These ones are for Nixon. These ones are for Raela. And you guys are going to put hearts on these hearts.
Yeah, buddy. Listen to my idea.
Okay, what words can I write on them?
You
Put it here.
so handsome.
How about you are awesome? Is that a good one?
Yeah.
Here's one for you. One for you. These are the last ones. Here, Raela. Here, Raela. Good job. High five. You're doing awesome.
Oh, I miss you.
That looks like a 10.
It does look like a sun.
Hopefully it is. It's working. Yellow.
Oh, you're doing so great, sweetheart.
Beautiful. There you go. It says
Nix,
Nixon.
you're doing so good.
Morning. It's Thursday.
Good morning. It's a day.
I am still so happy we did Valentine's yesterday.
That was a fun activity, huh?
Yeah, it was.
Maybe we could do it next year, too.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Who's this?
Good morning. Raela, how was your smoothie?
Good. For the rainbow today with a pipe of little wings.
Draw a rainbow. Your legs are tired, so you cannot clean your curls. I think you're crazy. Are you
I'm
crazy?
so tired.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Sucking on my four-way walk. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Where's the girls? Hello. Let her say hi.
That's it.
Put it up, sis. I want to play with you. No, I want to play with you. Okay, we're gonna just address the elephant in the room. I already know my eyebrows are level 9 tinted because I did it myself. Hey,
Mom.
I did it myself and I left it on for like 5 extra minutes. Yep, I know, they're bad. So we're gonna do some scrubbing in the shower today. 2, 1.
Hey, good morning. It's Friday.
Hurry, we're running late. Put the lid on.
Gonna get Piper kisses first today.
Not right now.
Later.
Love you. Have a good day.
Gonna go, cause it's the day.
Number are you learning?
5. I'm 5.
Ooh. This is Nixon's favorite thing to do. Line up all the animals and then shoot them. Yeah, we gotta trap a cam. We gotta trap a UVA.
Those spider. I'm not touch.
Look how snowy it is.
Yes. Yep.
I am not sure what kind of energy my kids have today, but it is next level, and I'm like 45% sure we're gonna end up at the doctor because they're wildin'. Oh no! Oh no! What happened?
Get him.
Don't tickle my feet. Hi. Mama.
We got really hurt, so we are gonna see it. What happens? I don't know.
She tried to use mommy's shaver, huh? She tried to shave her legs. Look, all better.
Look at this. Look,
Drink milk.
Piper.
Bananas.
It is like bananas.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.